Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to check display in Redmi phone. So without wasting time, let's start how to do it. First go to your phone settings. And then go to About Phone option. Tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down and tap on 4 times on Kernel Version option. Now through this window you can check phone, lots of option available. If you check mobile touch, then go to touch panel option. And then you can see this window is open. Now using your finger to check touch panel working properly or not. So by following this simple method, you can easily check if your touchpad is working properly or not. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.